Hey everybody, it's Shane from BD Performance, and today I'm here to talk about the 2017 to 2020 model year Ford 3.5 liter EcoBoost exhaust manifolds. Now, most of you probably know all about our 2011 to 2016 model year EcoBoost manifolds for F-150s, but now we have an extension on that product offering with these all new 2017 to 2020 models. Ford changed the cylinder heads on those engines in 2017 and redesigned the exhaust manifold system. Now, the exhaust manifold setup on those earlier models is pretty horrific and had lots of missing fasteners, and the new ones still do as well have missing fastener locations. So we make use of those by adding additional bosses on these manifolds. From factory, they're missing these two. We throw them in for additional clamping of the manifold. With that additional clamping, we also feature 15mm longer studs and spacers, just like all our other BD manifolds for F-150s. So those guys go just like that, with the nut on top. And what that allows is the fastener to stretch and hold the clamping of the manifold onto the cylinder head without fracturing, leading to more reliable operation. Combined with that, our usual thick-walled, uniform, ductile iron casting gets you a reliable manifold, as well as we've designed in 16% better flow for these versus factory. So we get more bolt locations, longer studs and spacers, uniform wall casting, and flow performance increase. Just like all BD manifolds for F-150s, these come with all the studs, spacers, hardware, gaskets you'd need for install. These manifolds are perfect for a reliable long-term fix of failing F-150 manifolds. For more information and product application years, check out our website at bddiesel.com.